Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. I am back with another unboxing from Simply Girly or Shop Simply Girly. Now, this is a mystery beauty box that is monthly. It costs $10 a month. It runs me $18.37 all in. Last month, I was very happy with what I received, and I do kind of have a surprise for you. The owner of Simply Girly reached out to me and asked me if she could send me a few things. I haven't received those things yet, but I'm excited to show you those, so keep an eye out for that video. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and open my normal subscription box for the month of, I don't know, would this be the October one? I would hope so. It came in October. So when you open the bag, this is what it looks like in there. Oh yeah. Thank you for supporting my small business. And then here is all of her information, if you want to grab that real quick. She has a lot of things on her Etsy shop that aren't even makeup related. She's got a bunch of different categories. So go help support the small business. So the first thing I am pulling out is in this cute little thank you bag. I love the bag. This is from Vincent Longo, which is a product that I did receive before. This says it's an Illumina concealer pencil, and the pencil sharpener is included. So let's check this out. Yeah, here's the pencil sharpener. Get it out of the box. Here we go. Little pencil sharpener. It's very rare that a company includes the pencil sharpener. That's like a bonus, don't you think? And then we have, oh, it looks like a dual concealer pencil. And it's in the color caramel. It does look like it's a little dark for me, though this end here, I could possibly see using that maybe as a contour down my nose. I didn't even think of that until just now. Very nice. Next, oh, these are cute. Very Indonesian looking or Indian. Let's get those out. Now they're a little heavy, not too much, I don't think. And they're like in an antique gold with red and blue stones. Very pretty. Yeah. Actually, I have a flannel that these would go perfect with. It has a yellow stripe in there. It's mainly blue, and it has the red plaid in there. These would go really well. I usually wear silver, but this isn't like blaring gold, so I bet you I would be comfortable wearing these. I think these are beautiful. Yes. Let's see. I'm just looking to see. Yeah. Next is this very colorful little bag. I do have an admission. I did open the bag and I used what was in this little bag. So let's see what I used. First thing I'm pulling out is a mini palette, Terracino Baby Dome Baked Eyeshadow Trio. has a little tiny mirror right here. There are the colors, nice neutrals, very rich. Now, I'm going to take my glasses off. Now, I can't see a thing now. But I use these on my eyes. I used the very light color on the tip of my nose. Oh, I forgot to put my cheeks and my brow bone. I think they're very pretty. They're very pigmented. They went on easily, blended easily. I am a fan. Very pretty. Next, by Vincent Longo as well. Vincent Longo is a sun-kissed La Riviera Sun Matte Bronzer. It does have a mirror. Isn't that pretty? And I did use the bronzer today on my forehead, under my cheekbone, and alongside my nose. Just a little contouring. But I liked it. It went on so nicely. I didn't even, you know how sometimes you use bronzers and it just suddenly is this line that you have to blend in? That didn't happen. It went on very feathery and light. So I liked that. I like it. And the last thing in here by Vincent Longo is this a Pearl X eyeshadow in a Ethria. There's the name, Ethria. E3? And it has a little mirror. Look how beautiful that is. Now, I did use that on the corners of my eyes, the inner corner. I thought that would match my shirt very well. Yeah, very nice. See how pretty? Very pretty. So I liked that. So we got the shimmer shadow, a bronzer, a trio eye palette, a concealer with a sharpener, and a beautiful pair of earrings. So yes, I'm looking forward to the next month. I'm also looking forward to that special package I'm going to be receiving. Keep an eye out for that video. If you liked what you saw here today, give me a thumbs up. I do appreciate your support. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.